SLIMRUN CAT6 design. SLIMRUN Cat6 is much thinner and lighter than standard Cat6 cables. The 149-inch diameter, 30 Aruban Florins flexible cable and snagless narrow boot design is easier to install, uninstall and takes less space than conventional 23 or 24 Aruban Florins Cat6 cables. Superior performance. SLIMRUN Cat6 patch cables are component tested, providing superior performance in 1 to 10 gigabit applications. SLIMRUN is the perfect solution for high-performance applications, such as data centers and telecommunications rooms. High-density environments. Save space. Save money. At half the size of standard Cat6 patch cables. 149 VO. 29. SLIMRUN Cat6 helps reduce congestion in high-density environments, such as data centers and telecommunications rooms. With SLIMRUN Cat6, you can fit more cables in the same space, saving you the time and cost of expanding or replacing cable pathways. 0.149 inches diameter, reduces congestion in high-density spaces, ultimate protection. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect RJ45 cable for field and network engineers' backpacks. Travel to sites to install systems or network gear. This is a good, slim and durable cable. Buy two and carry a coupler.